Glenn Justin R. Aoyagi, BSRT 2-1. Let's talk about the innovation of kerosene lamp. The kerosene lamp has been an important invention in human history, especially before the widespread use of electricity. It provided us light to homes, streets, and workplaces, improving safety and daily life. The innovation of the kerosene lamp in the mid 19th century was a major improvement. Another major innovation was the glass chimney. The chimney protected the flame from wind and improved airflow, which helped the fuel burn more. Even today, lamps continue to be improved. Modern design focus on fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and safer materials. In areas without reliable electricity, improved kerosene lamps still a playful role. In conclusion, the innovation of kerosene lamp transformed a simple lighting tool into a safe glass. It was an important innovation to our society. Before the widespread of use of electricity, it provided light to workplace, improving safety and daily life over time, and also a major role to those who not have electricity. Now let's talk about the LED bulbs innovation. LED bulbs are the one of the most important innovation in modern lighting technology. LED stands for light emitting diode. Unlike traditional bulbs that they use a filament to produce light, LED bulbs use semiconductor technology to emit light more efficiently. And this innovation has changed the way people light their homes, streets, and workplaces. One major innovation of LED bulbs is their high energy efficiency. LED bulbs consume less electricity compared to incandescent and fluorescent bulbs, while giving a brighter light. This helps save energy and reduce electricity costs. Because of this advantage, LED bulbs are widely used in homes, offices, and public places. Another important innovation in the long lifespan of LED bulbs. They can last for many years without frequent replacement. This reduces the maintenance costs and minimize waste. Their durability makes them ideal for streetlights, factories, and large buildings. LED bulbs are also environmental friendly. They do not contain harmful chemicals like mercury and produces less heat. Their lower energy consumption helps reduce carbon emissions, making them a sustainable lighting option. In conclusion, the innovation of LED bulbs has improved lighting technology by making it more efficient, durable, and eco-friendly. As the technology continues to advance, LED bulbs will play a major role in energy conservation and sustainable development. And that's all for my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.